Waterfalls contain enormous possibilities within themselves. They can mesmerize, enthrall, inspire, relax, heal, console, delight and astound. We use rugged, hard-to-find boulders that are carefully positioned to replicate the sublime architecture of nature. Our waterfalls are pondless. A silent, energy-efficient underground pump recirculates the water. The intensity of the cascading water is easily regulated by the user. Maintenance is negligible, with only a brief yearly cleaning needed. The waterfall can be constructed on your rear patio, terrace or elsewhere on your property and will provide countless hours and days of wonder and tranquility.